everybody, it's Eric here, back for our third and possibly our final episode of Why is Cherry Hill Park Flooded? We tried to come out for a game of frisbee golf and the park is flooded. There's a river running through it. Where did all this water come from? Alright, so if you missed episode 1 and 2, you better watch them to catch up. But here we go with part 3 of Why is Cherry Hill Park Flooded? So, in our last episode, we traced the water back up to an old, what appears to be an old water tower. Some sort of water holding facility, water processing facility. But the water is just coming from the ground. It could be coming from anywhere. This water could be coming from anywhere. We need to find out for sure, so the children are safe to play frisbee golf again. Now, we can't go in there, but it does look like, it does sound like there's something going on in there. Now, I'm gonna go above this. I'm gonna go up a little bit farther to see if the water might be coming up from anywhere further up above. So, the water's getting quieter. I don't really hear any water up here. Well, it definitely looks like some sort of water processing facility. I don't see any illegal mining operations or oil drilling operations. So I guess our county is safe from that too. Well, unless any other clues turn up, this could be the end of our investigation. I think this is where the water's coming from. Hey, how's it going? Cherry Hill Park is flooded.
What?
It's flooded.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I think the water is coming from this old water tower.
Huh.
Well, I guess that's all for now. Our journey has ended where the water starts. So, until we get our next mystery to investigate, I'm going to consider this case of why is Cherry Hill Park flooded to be solved. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.